GEESYS Technology India Private Limited is an ISO 9001-2015 certified company. GEESYS is your reliable guardian to protect and safeguard your India solar PV power plants. We are happy to show you our latest launch of Solar 50 kW Solar ACDB under Shield Plus series. This is 415 volt 3-phase system which is standard for commercial and industrial solar PV installations. This particular ACDB is designed to handle the current up to 100 amps suitable to 50 kW string inverters output. GEESYS Solar Distribution Boards are designed and manufactured as per IEC 61439 standard for low voltage switchgear and control gear assemblies. This is 50 kW solar ACDB, one input and one output. The system ensures safe, reliable and efficient power distribution of solar power while it's providing ease of installation, operation and maintenance. This particular 50 kW solar ACDB uses MCCB to protect the system from overcurrent and short circuit by disconnecting the circuit when the current exceeds the preset limit. This ACDB also has SPD which protects the system from voltage spikes and transient surges by diverting the excess voltage into a ground. Here, the input power is from solar inverter and the output power of this ACDB goes to your loads. This 50 kW solar AC distribution board consists of polycarbonate enclosure, MCCBs, surge protection devices, LED indication lamp and other accessories. This particular polycarbonate enclosure comes with a transparent lid. It provides safe, durable housing for components. This enclosure are designed to accommodate all the internal components with adequate spacing for heat dissipation and ease of maintenance. The enclosure is weatherproof, dustproof to ensure reliable operation in harsh environment. The doors are lockable for security against unauthorized access. We have used busbar terminal block, heavy duty, high current capacity and it provides organized and secured connection points for incoming and outgoing cables. It facilitates easy and error-free installation and maintenance. ROB indicating lamps are provided to monitor the availability of 3 phases of grid power. GEESYS uses common grounding point for all the components, ensuring the safety and protection against electrical faults. It helps in dissipating false currents safely to a ground. All of our boxes are beautifully labeled and ferruled for the ease of operation and future maintenance. In general, all the GEESYS Solar AC distribution boards are uses FR-less flexible copper wires as per IS 694. GEESYS Solar AC distribution boards are designed and manufactured as per CEIG and CEA guidelines to provide high level of safety and reliability. Our solar ACDBs enables you to enjoy high level of system performance monitoring while providing exceptional system safety. Happy solar powering!